Deskero might be on your radar as a help desk software solution, but before you commit, here are 12 things you need to know to decide if it's the right fit for your business. Stick around to the end, and we'll share a better alternative that you can try for free. First up, Deskero offers a straightforward interface, but it lacks the visual polish and customization flexibility of competitors like Zendesk or Freshdesk. If branding consistency is a priority, this could be a drawback. Next thing, Deskero focuses on multi-channel communication, integrating email, chat, social media, and more. While functional, it doesn't offer the deep automation or AI-powered insights that tools like Zoho Desk provide, which could save you hours in ticket handling. The third thing, pricing is a big factor. Deskero is competitively priced, especially for smaller businesses. However, as your team grows, you might find its feature set limiting compared to scalable solutions like Freshservice, which offer more robust plans for larger teams. Fourth, Deskero's collaboration tools are decent but basic. It allows team members to share notes and work on tickets together, but you won't find advanced features like collision detection or agent performance analytics that make other platforms stand out. Next thing, Deskero supports basic automation for workflows like ticket routing and status updates. However, these automations are not as intuitive or customizable as those in systems like Zendesk, which offers triggers, macros, and detailed conditions to refine workflows. The sixth thing, reporting and analytics, are where Deskero falls short. While it provides basic metrics, the lack of advanced reporting dashboards or insights means you'll struggle to measure team performance or identify trends effectively. Next up, Deskero's mobile app covers essential features, but feels dated and less responsive compared to the seamless mobile experiences of competitors like HubSpot Service Hub. For remote teams or on-the-go support, this might be frustrating. The eighth thing, integrations are limited. Deskero connects with common tools like Slack and Zapier, but if you rely on niche or advanced third-party systems, you'll likely encounter compatibility issues. Freshdesk and Zendesk lead the pack here with their extensive app marketplaces. Next thing, Deskero's knowledge-based functionality is adequate for internal and external use, but it's not as user-friendly or advanced as what you'd find with Help Scout, which excels in self-service options for customers. The 10th thing, Deskero does offer live chat and chatbot functionality, but it's fairly basic. Platforms like Intercom offer smarter bots with advanced lead generation and proactive support capabilities, giving you more bang for your buck. Next, security features in Deskero meet standard requirements, including SSL encryption and GDPR compliance. However, it doesn't provide advanced security measures like IP restrictions or SSO, which are essential for enterprise-level organizations. Finally, customer support for Deskero is hit or miss. While support is generally responsive, it lacks the 24/7 availability or tiered support options offered by top competitors like Zoho Desk or Zendesk. Deskero can be a solid choice for smaller teams looking for a simple, budget-friendly help desk solution, but it may leave you wanting more as your business scales. If you're looking for a more powerful and versatile option, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free today.